Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1078, McKinney case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss McKinney,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I am here to try to recoup costs that I've incurred with my daughter.
All right.
She's 9 years old. She's been with me since birth, and I'm paying for everything. I've been doing it all on my own.
All right.
Without a problem, but I've been doing it all on my own.
All right. And when you say all on your own, Dad isn't helping out financially at all?
At all.
Okay. And you said your daughter's 9.
Yes.
All right. Buckle up for a courtroom clash like no other. We have a mother fiercely fighting for child support after raising her daughter alone for 9 long years. On the other side, there's a father who continues to refuse any responsibility, even as paternity itself is called into question. What began as a fleeting weekend situationship has now snowballed into a full-blown legal battle, with emotions running high on both sides. Will the father finally own up to his role? Can the mother find justice after nearly a decade of financial struggle? Stay tuned. This courtroom drama is about to heat up. If you want, I can also help make it sound even more dramatic or ready for a YouTube video intro. Just tell me.
Extracurricular activities, that word always messes me up.
Yes, ma'am. Basketball, track and field, and tennis.
All right. Does Dad pay for any of those?
No, ma'am.
How much are the fees associated annually with each one of those?
Annually, probably roughly $4,700.
All right. Is Dad aware that she's in these activities?
Yes.
All right. The extracurricular activities, does he attend those?
No, Your Honor.
So he doesn't pay for those?
No.
So what is the backstory? I mean, she's 9. So were you all in a relationship previously? Like what happened?
We were in a situationship for a weekend.
What in the world is that?
Well, it was a little bit more than a one-night stand. It lasted approximately 72 hours. I was on business in Washington, D.C., and he was there.
The mother, Miss McKinney, makes it clear she's been doing everything for her daughter. She has raised her alone, paid for all her extracurricular activities, basketball, track, tennis, all without a single bit of help from the father. At this point, we can't help but ask, where's the accountability from the father? The fact that he's known about the child's existence yet never contributed a dime to her care is hard to swallow. The emotional toll of raising a child alone without support is immense. Could the father finally step up and be more present? Or is he simply avoiding his responsibility? If you want, I can also help tighten it further for video narration or social media posts. Just let me know.
I need to be careful what I ask.
Well, listen, the night grew long, and things happened within the next 72 hours. And so, yeah. That's the extent of it.
Okay. And you got pregnant?
Yes.
Okay. Was he involved in the pregnancy?
Well, he was definitely there.
Well, no, throughout your pregnancy.
Oh, throughout? No, ma'am.
Okay. So you just literally had the baby, no help from him, nothing like that. Did he show up at the hospital?
No, he was late.
Okay. So did you all have a DNA test done?
No.
Does he know he's the father?
He doesn't think that he is, and he's the only Caucasian that I've ever been with, so.
Okay. So that's where the issue lies.
The father, in an attempt to explain himself, downplays the entire situation. The mother calls it a situationship that lasted only 72 hours, but to the child, this is a lifetime. The father argues that since the mother earns more money than he does, she should carry the financial burden. But that's not how child support works. The law isn't about who earns more, it's about providing for your child. Is the father simply using his financial situation as an excuse? Or is there more beneath the surface? After all, he did send text messages suggesting he's been aware of his role all along. If you'd like, I can also help tighten it further for use in a video script or social media post.
Sent text messages, and he sent happy birthdays, things
Okay.
of that nature. How is she doing? So I believe if he didn't care at all, he wouldn't send those text messages. Now he's done that for the past 9 years.